Racing Jesse started with My Lady Hana. Break quickly at the start. Mangaro is sorry outside. Leopardo Subaru. Then next online is Maximum Exposure. Pleasant Girl Quick Storm is down on the inside. Alam mo na yan. Next squeeze. Bawon Lancer. Hard Power Racing secondless. While exciting is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. When going along for the first turn, we have My Lady Hana by about 3/4 of a length lead. Subaru is right behind in second. Mangaro is racing in third. Pleasant Girl is on the outside fourth. Quick Storm is down on the inside fifth. Alam mo na yan. Next squeeze. Maximum Exposure comes next. Leopardo is down on the inside. Exciting Bawon Lancer. While Hard Power now racing in less. Back to the leader. We have My Lady Hana moving up. Mangaro, Pleasant Girl alongside on the outside. Alam mo na yon. Comes next, Leopardo, like twice now arriving at the scene. A Quick Storm comes next, squeeze, exciting Bawon Lancer, Hard Power Subaru, while Maximum Exposure now racing in less than Diana entering the home stretch. We have Mangaro, this time by about 3 lengths, and in second is Pleasant Girl. Alam mo na yan, as they swing for home. We have Mangaro, this time by about 6 lengths. Pleasant Girl in second, alam mo na yan, Leopardo. Last 100 meters, we have Mangaro, followed now by alam mo na yan. And finally, it's going to be Mangaro. The second is alam mo na yan, Leopardo. Pleasant Girl, then comes Quick Storm.
Sino? Sino yung panganin?
Bawon Lancer.
Okay.